Buenos dias. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard to make it where you can type Spanish accent marks and punctuation on your Chromebook. The first thing you need to do is go down to the lower right corner of your screen and click there so that this screen comes up. Go to the little gear symbol and click on Settings. Now that you're at Settings, you need to go to Advanced. Click on Advanced on the left side of your keyboard and then choose Languages and Input. Then click on Languages and Input again. And we are not going to add languages here, so you're going to scroll past that and go to Input Method. Here it says Manage Input Methods. That's what you need to click on. So here we have our list of input methods. You already have US keyboard selected because that's the one you normally use. And now we're going to add the US International keyboard. And these are the only two that you need, US keyboard and US International keyboard. Some students scroll farther down here and notice that there's a Spanish keyboard. There is, but we're not going to use that one. We're going to use the US International keyboard. So make sure that's the one you have selected. Now we can close this. And if we go back down to the lower right corner of the screen, you can see that it now says US. It didn't say that before. We're still using the regular US keyboard, but it's telling us that because now we have two different keyboards on our Chromebook. And so I'm going to click where it says US, and now we have this new icon that says keyboard. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to select the US International keyboard. Now that I've selected that, it says International here to let me know that I'm using the keyboard that will let me type the Spanish accent marks and punctuation. And so the way that you type those accent marks and punctuation is if you want to type an A with an accent mark, you hold down the alternate key right next to your space bar, and you have to use the one on the right side of the space bar, not the one on the left. So hold down the right alternate key and the letter A at the same time, and there's your accent. Same thing for the alternate key on the right side of your keyboard, plus the E, or plus the I, or plus the O, or plus the U, or plus the N. And that makes the accent marks and tildes that we're going to use in Spanish. For punctuation, we do the same thing. Hold down the alternate key and the question mark. It makes the upside down one. Hold down the right alternate key and the exclamation point. It makes the upside down one. And those are the symbols that you'll need to be able to type for your Spanish class. The important thing to remember is that you have the International keyboard installed, and you know that because it says INTL at the bottom of your screen. And the other important point to remember is that you need to use the alternate key that's on the right side of your keyboard. The one on the left side of your keyboard will not work for this. And that's all you do. Hasta mañana.